Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a new and updated version of the DIY lash extension. My eyebrows are gold, so don't mention it. Since this is like a new and improved version, I'm going to be using some more like lashes. Like they're like really fabulous, extravagant. So you see there's strips, and I'm gonna cut like pieces of it. I don't think I'll use all of it because it's pretty thick. Cut like certain pieces of it, some of the long ones, and then I'm going to be gluing those on underneath per use. The tools that you may need to use, or that you should use, will be the following: a pair of small scissors. I need a very tight scissors, something small, it's like really sharp to get in there, and tweezers so that you can grab like a strands of hair and put it on there. And I got the lash curls because these are like kind of straight, but it's gonna give me like that extra out look that I'm looking for. I feel like there's like a chunk. I'm gonna cut like the chunk parts out. So let me zoom y'all all in my flaws. Y'all are all in my flaws. So I'm gonna cut a little chunk part out. So that's a lot. Look at my lash. My lash is probably like a third of that. So this is going to be extra. And I'm just using my Bronze Radiance bronzer. We're just gonna use a little bit because this dries pretty fast, right? And I'm gonna start on my right side because whenever I'm doing my lashes, I do the right side first. Whenever I'm doing my eyebrows, I do the left side, but we're gonna start on the right side. And then we're just gonna like dab this in there. And we're really gonna make sure it gets on the top part. See how there's like a little bubble on the top part? I'm gonna just tap that gently because I don't want all of that extra glue. I don't need all of that. And we're gonna go in. So my eye is watering. It's not burning, but it's just watering because no, I'm just So guys, we have officially put on one lash. Use this lash. You can kind of tell the difference. One is a little bit shorter. Let me put it on. There you go. And look, this is how it looks underneath. So now that I explained one, we're going to cut some more. Cut. And cut through, let me put it on my background. Cut through those spaces. And we're going to continue to lay those lashes, honey. That we need to wake up and be fabulous, and we'll do something with these eyebrows later. So yes, we're gonna fast forward. We're going to fast forward to speed this up. I'm gonna finish watching Gossip Girl or listening to Gossip Girl while I do these lashes. And yes ma'am. So this is one eye, but it's extra, but like, two weeks. And then when I do my makeup and everything, it goes perfectly, so I'm excited about that. I'm actually gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when my makeup is fully done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So hi guys, welcome back. Now this is the final look, and I have my lashes on. I've been out and about, so my makeup isn't like all the way fresh, but let me give you like basically a backstory. I use the strip lashes, and I chose to use these because I was talking to my mom about it, and she said it was like more of a natural looking way, and I've seen a few girls use actual strips and just cut them up, because on a strip lash it's already designed how it's supposed to be as compared to individual lashes that come in the pack, and the ends were more tapered, so it gave more of a natural look. And these are longer than even like the long individual lashes. The lash strips will be longer, and I wanted something like, you know, so especially I have like this simple hairstyle, or anytime I'm just wearing makeup, whatever, I like the lashes to be like extra. Plus, a lot of times when people are wearing these lash extensions, I see now the trend is to have them more like glamorous than to have like more of a natural look, and you know, I'm with it. So we try to do glamorous lashes as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this is an updated version of the DIY lash extensions. These do typically last maybe a week to 2 weeks. The time it takes is probably about 30 minutes. And I do recommend to cut your lashes up ahead of time and just line them up separately. When I was showing you guys, I would cut like a piece, so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But I would recommend cutting them up so that it goes by fast, and then it only takes around 30 minutes. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned something. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share this video with a friend. As always, love you.